Hello everyone, now we are starting with question number 5 of exercise 1.1. Now in this question we have named the property or the multiplication used in each of the following. So here we have to name the property of this. So here in the first one we have minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equals to minus 4 by 5. That means here after multiplying with 1 we get minus 4 by 5, and if we arrange, that means if we write 1 at first and multiplying with minus 4 by 5, then also we will get the same answer. So this property we have seen in rule of 1, where we have seen that 1 is the multiplicative identity. If you multiply with 1 with any number, we get the same number. That's why 1 is said to be multiplicative identity. So we will write 1 is the multiplicative identity. Identity means same, and after multiplying we are getting the same answer. That's why 1 is said to be multiplicative identity. Now coming to the next one, here in this question we have minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 is equals to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. Now this is also, which property is this? This is commutative property, because we have seen in commutative property that numbers can be arranged in any order if plus sign is given. See here, a plus b can be written as b plus a, or if multiply sign is there, then a into b is equals to b into a. So this commutative property can hold only in case of addition and multiplication. So this is which property? Commutativity. Now, the last one we have minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 is equals to 1. Now this is which property? Here we can see that in multiplicative inverse we have seen that if we write, if suppose this is the number, and if we multiply the number with the reciprocal of this number, and if we get 1, then it is said to be multiplicative inverse. That means like if the number is say 4 and the multiplicative inverse of this number is 1 by 4, and after multiplying the number with its multiplicative inverse, if we get 1, then we can say that this is multiplicative inverse. So this is which property? It's multiplicative inverse, because after multiplying with the reciprocal we are getting 1. Now in the next question we have multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of 7 by minus 7 by 16. So here we have to multiply 6 by 13 with the reciprocal of this number. Now what will be the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? Now minus reciprocal, how to find the reciprocals? This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So it will just be the opposite of this. So here it will be 16 is the denominator, so 16 will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So it will be 16 by 7. Now we will multiply this number with this. So therefore 6 by 13 into 16 by minus 7. So now we will multiply the numerator at first. So 16 6 are 96 and 13 7s are 91. We can write the minus sign here. So this is 96 by 91. So this was question number 6. Thank you, students.